Happy Halloween, how may I help you? Epic. Here's your candy. Thanks for stopping by. You've already visited. Angie! I'm Epic.
Boom!
Get over here, evil tangos. Also, thanks for buying the chicken nuggets. I told ya, I owe you. Happy birthday! Nugget. Presents? Oh yeah. I forgot to put them under the tree. I hid them around the map because I thought it was Easter. I was hoping for nuggets.
Never mind.
Hey there, kids! But why? Okay, understandable. Have a nice day. Why hello there. Would you like some free chicken nuggets? Okay, here you go.
How dare you kill the Tango Mangles and decline the chicken nuggets? I'm a farm laser!
You still get